Hello, I'm Dennis Brown,
And I made an LaPierre.
and this is our final project demo for CS420, which is our web campus Discord bot. So looking at the code at first, when you first invite the bot to the server, you'll get a nice little hello message and how to get started. And to invite the bot to the server, you paste a link in your browser. It'll ask you which server to add it to. We'll add it to our test server. Set up the permissions. Okay, as you can see here, it's added. We've got the hello message. So we can type menu to get started. So we'll do menu. So here are some of the options we have. We're going to start by looking at my classes and viewing my classes. And as you can see, currently I'm enrolled in two, CS420 and CS422. But on my campus, I am enrolled in three. So we'll have to update our classes. We can do that by hitting update classes. Okay, and once you update the classes, you'll see I now have course 3 enrolled and course 3. So dismiss that and go back to the main menu. Take a look at our preferences. So if I hit view my preferences for notifications, you can see I currently have none set. So I'll go ahead and set a few of them. So for now, I will set announcements and messages on. So you can see here, my preferences have been updated. And if I hit view again, it'll say announcements and messages. So now I'm going to have Aiden grade an assignment for me, and it will not be notified on Discord.
So to do that, I will go and grade this first assignment. That's part of the course CS420. I'm going to give him a 40 out of 50, and I'll leave a small comment. I submit. And if we go back to the Discord bot, we will see that we are not getting a direct message. But if we go through and change the preferences to have the option to turn it on, we will see that we will get grades when I grade another assignment.
Okay, so I will set my preferences back to show grades. And we are getting that error because we're making a lot of API calls for the demo. That's just preface. Okay, so my preferences are updated to show grades, and Aiden will now grade another assignment for me.
So this one I will give a 40 out of 60. I will give a big comment. I'll submit. And while I'm at it, I will grade another assignment for the third course. This one I will give him a 20 out of 20 and a medium comment. And so, if we go back to the Discord bot, we should see that we have a direct message from them.
So here's the first one he sent, and there's the other one. So if I open up my canvas, you see here's oh, that's the other one. Let's go back to a different one. So here's the 20 out of 21 right here. New grade posted was posted. Oh, the time's all wrong, but anyways, okay. And here's the other one. 40 out of 60.
The time's not wrong. That's when I made a comment.
Oh, yeah, that's the comment. Just kidding. There's the
Was
comment.
1 minute ago.
Okay. So we had those direct messages. We'll go back to the server, back to the main menu, and we can also view upcoming assignments. So let's see if we have any upcoming ones. Nope, we have none due within a week.
And that's because all of the ones that were due were graded. So if I go and make an additional assignment, I'll make it in course 3. New demo assignment. I'll give it a description of description. And I'll just make that due within a week, the 17th. Random available time, doesn't matter too much. And then if we go back and make that API call again, we will see that that assignment does show up. Once the bot is done checking for different things.
We are making a lot of API calls. There it is. Okay. So as you can see here, due December 17th, 2024 at 11:59 for the course you made it in, course 3. And you can also click the link to bring you to the assignment. So I clicked it, and here's the new demo assignment. Dismiss that, and we'll go back into grades, and we'll check some of our grades for our courses. So we'll do CS420. Hit get recent grades. So here's the assignment he graded earlier. Here's my current grade in the class, which is 80%. And on my web campus, you can see here, here's the assignment and my total grade. Also hit calculate GPA, which will send the user a private message of their current GPA, which is 2.66. So taking a brief moment to look at more of the code. So for getting stuff like new grades, new messages, new files, it's on a timer loop of 30 seconds. So it'll check the Discord server, check the user's preferences, get the graded assignments, check if the assignment has not already been seen, and then display the assignment. So I think I'm going to have Ada now send me a message on Canvas and have it displayed on Discord.
So to do that, I will just send a message, give it a basic subject and body.
Okay, and message was sent.
While we wait for that, I will point out that the blue tinted messages are ephemeral messages that are private to the user. And the message just came through.
Here's the message, personal message. Only you can see this. And then I think also have Aiden make an announcement, which my notifications are on for, so I should receive that in Discord.
I will go ahead and make this announcement. It's important. It just says don't be late to class.
Okay, so that is published. And while that comes in, I'll go through a little more of the code. So I went over the looping, checking for announcements and assignments. Here is some of the code for our menu buttons here. So here's the preferences button. So you can choose from grades, announcements, messages, and then it adds various other buttons to set those. And once you set them, it will add it to a list of the current user's preferences. And then they can also either add or remove those preferences. And let's see if I got that announcement. Yep, here's the announcement. It's an important announcement. Don't be late for class. And then lastly, I'll have Aiden upload a file for a class, which we can see in the Discord server.
And for that, I will just upload this JPEG of Discord for Discord. So. And that's uploaded.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So with with the file uploads, we have it posted to the entire server because we feel that's relevant to every student in the class. But as you can see here, here's the file he uploaded, the name, uploaded that, and there's also a link to download that file. So if I click it, it will download the image here. So I'll go over briefly a little more of the code. So we are making API calls to Discord through our Canvas token, which is stored in another separate file for security reasons. But it makes a call to an endpoint with parameters such as enrollment type, student. We can retrieve course IDs. We can retrieve course names. We can retrieve current grades by checking enrollments. This is for converting grades to scores, calculating GPA, fetching upcoming assignments. I believe we already showed that. Yes, we did. Yep, one upcoming assignment.
And the upcoming assignments button does exclude any that have already been graded or submitted.
Yes, correct. I think that's about all to show. Aiden, is there anything else you wanted to show?
Just to mention that the menu buttons are the ones that are calling those API util functions is all. And they do that with the context of what user interacted with the buttons, so that ensures that we can have a form of privacy. As mentioned previously, the ephemeral messages, if you look to the left of the screen, there's the bottom message right now is ephemeral. It says only you can see this, and you can dismiss it whenever you don't want it to be there anymore.
Yep, and that is done through right here, ephemeral equals true. And I think that's about all for our demo. Thank you very much.